No, get down.
I'm a big boy, Mom.
Everyone always wants to leave and I don't. I would stay here all day if I could. Okay, I'm sleepy. It's 11 a.m. the next day and we're finally going on a hike, but we decided to not really go on a hike and to just go to a beautiful creek that we found. But we found a really beautiful creek and we're gonna go sit down and have like a little picnic with his mom and our boys, obviously. Ozzy's in the car with his grandma. It's quiet without him in here. We were gonna go on a hike a whole lot earlier, but it is my time of the month. I had a migraine all day yesterday until the end of the day. And then at night, I started to get pain. God. I realized after my migraine had went away, I realized I was getting pain in my wisdom tooth. So I went in the mirror and looked at it and it was swollen all around it. Not like that little skin flap that you can get over it. I feel like that's really common. But it was like under it. Like my jaw was swollen and red and very painful. So we had to go to urgent care this morning. It is just not my weekend. Like I was so excited for this weekend because I've been stuck in the house. The boys have been pretty difficult and it has just not been my weekend. My period was late and decided to come. Got a severe migraine and now I have a freaking like infection near my wisdom tooth, but I caught it early so there's no abscess or anything and I have to go get antibiotics, but it's just not my weekend. I was so excited for this weekend. We're going on a hike, somewhat. We're going on a picnic. Oh my god. Yeah, the doctor at urgent care was touching the side of my face and now there's like a rash all through here. I don't know if that's from him or from the like infection in my jaw, but it's painful and I still haven't went and got the antibiotics. We're gonna do that after because I need to get out into the woods. I've been locked in the house like a prisoner all week. Also wearing camo so I can be one with the trees. And yes, he's being held hostage and being forced to be filmed. He's being held hostage, clearly. So cute. You running?
Banana!
Look at your chunky face. He just loves watching Ozzy. I said just don't go behind that fence because I don't know if it drops off or if there's water. Just be careful. You look so cute.
I need to wash my hands.
And bringing me leaves.
I love you.
It's a little bridge. I love Ohio. Go ahead. You run across. Just careful with that stick.
Woo!
He's so cute.
Look how low that water is.
I know. So pretty.
Came out of nowhere.
I had to baby wrap him. I could not carry him all this way. He's like 18 pounds now. Look at the big old boy looking out the bridge. Oh my gosh.
Like they got trees and then they were sitting.
So beautiful here.
Do rocks hurt to walk on?
Oh my god, it's so filled out. Look at all the white flowers. Ozzy, look at all the flowers.
Oz. Bye.
Oh. Look at the pretty flowers. There's like daisies back there. Oh, that's a spider web.
Where?
Right here, the spider.
Oh, where's spider?
Right here. The moss.
What? Yo, what's good, man?
It's so beautiful. It feels so nice.
Yeah, real shit.
It's so pretty. This is what I needed all week. I do have an infection in my mouth and haven't taken any antibiotics yet, but
I'll show you an infection in your mouth.
your mom is right there. Anyway,
You know, real shit gang
look at
shit,
this
man.
chunky boy. The leaves are starting to turn yellow. It's so pretty. There's a leaf floating.
Okay.
Ooh.
What is your leaf?
Do you know why?
Uh-huh.
Because there's a spider web attached to it. That's why. It's stuck to a spider web, so it's dangling and floating.
Can I have it?
If you want to, you're brave. You can grab it. Come on, let's just go, babe.
It's a mosquito.
You saw a mosquito?
Uh-huh.
Oh. I saw a butterfly. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
You're so sweet. My God.
What?
Adam, get down.
I'll be fine.
No, get down.
I'm a big boy, Mommy.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna want to do it.
Just
that's
don't
why.
stand.
He's gonna want to get it. He's gonna want to do
No,
it.
I'm just telling you to get
Oh, don't chew on a leaf. Yuck. Yuck.
Oh!
On gummies. Oh, so handsome. Look at them on gummies. Gummy. Gummy, 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 gummy. So handsome. Does he have them a leaf? Yeah. Look at you. Hi. Oh my goodness, he's so pretty. Yeah.
That's a video. I just took a video of it.
He's dancing. Yeah, I might just have to pick him up.
Ozzy! Ozzy! Ozzy!
He's gonna come scold you for getting on the bridge.
Ozzy! Where'd Ozzy go?
Look at you. Can I get a cheese? Oh, you okay? Good. Can I get me a smile? You're so cute. Let's do that. God, this is the most beautiful camera. I am staying down here with you. You're under the bridge. Look at you. Oh, you're coming out? I'm going to this side. Oh, okay, good. There shouldn't be any snakes at this time of year. They should all be gone. It's October in a few days. It's almost spooky month. Spooky month. Montgomery.
What is mosquito?
I don't know. Ask Daddy.
Daddy.
We just saw a snake. I lied. There was definitely snakes.
What did you step on?
A fly keeps landing on me. It's making me squirm. So pretty.
Look, there's Stinky Butt. I got Stinky Butt. Stinky
Yeah.
Butt, Chinese. So why are your pants like this? Why are your pants like this?
Oh, just because we're out in the woods. Thank you. It's a steep little hill. Wow. So pretty. Little cutie.
Who's staying here? Hi, Ozzy. What's this?
You coming? I'm mommy. This is broken somewhere, but I wanted to go up there and see where it's broken. Honey, stay down there. I wanted to see where it's broken. I'm barefoot. I don't know. It must be like up there somewhere. Honey. Oh yeah, this is... You walked on here and it was like moving. Yeah, let's go back down. I don't want you to get hurt. Come on.
Okay.
How old are you?
2,
How old are you?
3.
Yeah. You're so cute. Hey, don't pull that down, Ozzy. That needs to warn people not to go up here.
Why?
That's why this tape is here. It's to warn people not to go up there
Why?
so they don't get hurt.
I didn't get hurt.
That's because we didn't go to the broken part.
What? Is that a broken part?
I wish I could just stay in the woods forever. I don't want to go home. I want to stay in the woods. I bet you didn't see me. You should go bye-bye. I don't want to. Nature babies. Yeah, very.
I'm fighting.
Got you a stick?
Uh-huh. It's a scarecrow stick.
It does look like a scarecrow stick. Come on, sweetie. A ballerina. Oh. He was just saying he wanted to go and now he doesn't want to leave. He doesn't want to go anymore. Everyone always wants to leave and I don't. I would stay here all day if I could for like 12 hours. Especially because I had a migraine.
Stay there. Stay.
I'm not leaving you. I've been walking slow this whole time. They're far ahead of us. I don't want to leave. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Okay, I'm sleepy. He's tired. So tired. This is what life should be like. Every day. This is what life should be like.